Allie's gently pulling on a stick.
She's fighting for her life.
Just enough that neither of them are letting go. And I cannot hold a camera for the life of me. Oh.
That's what she does at home. She'll grab on the bottom of my pants and then I can just like pull her
Oh,
off.
Chewie won.
Yay!
Nope. Next round.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Oh, stick broke.
Damn it. Well, now they have their own sticks. Allie's gonna be like, give me that part of the stick too.
Uh-huh. Now it's a stick chewing party.
Oh, dogs. Oh, they're such dog-like.
You're quite the philosopher.
I don't know. I try. Did you know the Rio delivers now?
I did not.
I went on a Hungry Bucks with Alana. It was like 11, and they have something for $25 where you get you get 2 sodas, 2 bags of chips and salsa, and then like a burrito smothered for $25. I don't
That's a
want
lot of
that
food.
right now.
Really? Because you're talking about it.
Rio's not that good. But at that time it hit the spot. I like their chips and salsa. They're cute. Someone's crying. Oh. Oh, it ripped.
There we go.
Is that cute?
Tug on the stick. Ah! Hi, Chew.
Oh my god, my dog is so cute.
Neighbors are doing something.
Oh.
Chewie won the stick back.
That's good, like they can share with each other.
I think they're still trying to fight, but they're both so exhausted that this is the most that they can muster.
She has a lot of energy.
You can tell.
Huh?
You can tell.
Chili? Chewy is on all the sticks. You're cute, kid. She's like, hey, what are you doing, Allie? Wanna look for sticks? Okay, I'll sniff around for sticks too.
Alright, on that note, I'm gonna send this video to Judith.
How long was it?